Okay, well, let's do an update on the car. It's been a couple weeks. Everything's burned in. Got all the bars. Here, let me back up a little bit. Got the core support all burned in, all TIG welded. Got the bars all TIG welded. Got the mounts all TIG welded. Got the frame support where it mounts the factory deal. I want to run that in with the mud gun because the gaps were too much work for the TIG welder. All the mounts, everything's done. Everything's done. So we got the lower radiator support tacked in. Keep trying to decide if I'm going to move it forward a little bit to make room for the turbo. But then it really messes with the mounts for the lower bumper support. I think I'm just going to leave it there. Burn it in tonight. Christmas present for myself. And then after Christmas, I'm going to pressure wash everything, take off all the junk I don't need, swap K-members, and set the motor in. And either do motor plates or the turbo setup. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do first, but they both got to get done. But so far that's it. Not much to show. It looks the same as before, except everything's all burnt together. You can see, you know, my TIG welding's not the best, but it ain't gonna come apart either. So got these set in here. Let's see if you can see. The tabs are here. This will set up against that. It's just got to get tacked together. It's real close. It's real close.